DTF gang sheets are without a doubt the most cost-effective way to order DTF transfers or start your own business using DTF transfers. Here at Ninja Transfers, our gang sheets start at around 6 cents per square inch and can go as low as around 2 cents per square inch with our big boy 20-foot gang sheet. Our sizes range from as short as 2 feet all the way up to that 20-footer with some increments in the middle. So no matter what size your order is, you can find the most cost-effective way to get that done and print it up for a low price. Now, a lot of people are wondering, how do I build a gang sheet? So there are some who are able to build them in their own program like Illustrator or something else. We have a spot on the website for you to just upload that and get it printed. But for those of you who are beginners or don't have access to those programs, we have a free to use DTF gang sheet builder right there on the website. Exact same price as if you're uploading it yourself, with a ton of customization tools that make it super easy to get that built, ordered, and printed. And trust me, we know that building a gang sheet can seem daunting, but that's why I'm going to show you just how easy it is to use the Ninja Gang Sheet Builder right here on our website to start saving today. All right, and just to get started, for example, we're going to go ahead and get our image uploaded. This is going to be, say you're ordering a 2x2 or something close to that tag print. So you're trying to get your branding on the inside of your design. All you have to do is click that, get that up in the top left corner, and then we have our nifty auto duplicate feature right here. So instead of sitting there and duplicating it out, you just say, all right, give me 100 of these. Duplicate, and then that will fill in as many as you can fit. So with this smaller size, we can get around 160 pieces on there. With this smaller size, if you're doing more of a traditional 2x2, you can fit around 100. With this, it's $34.99 just for that 2-foot sheet. No matter what you're putting on there, you're just paying for that printable area. So then you're paying around 34 cents a piece for this. If you were to go through our traditional by size route where you upload it, let us know and let us handle it, you'd be paying around 90 cents per piece with our bulk discounts there. So if you have print ready artwork that's ready to go, building out a gang sheet is going to save you a ton of money. And as you can see right here, it didn't take me very much time at all. And the same is going to go for larger designs. And for example, here's our 20-foot sheet. It's going to be $149.99, down around 2.5 cents per square inch here for you. And with that, you can fit as many different designs as you want. Like I said, you're just paying for that printable area. So of course you can sit there and you can click it out. You can kind of have everything set up how you want. You can zoom in a little bit to see, make sure everything's spaced out correctly. Check the resolution on the left-hand side here. If we've got the green, then we're good to go. But something else as well that you can use is our auto build feature, where say you know the exact quantities that you need, but you don't know exactly how you're going to fit all of that onto a gang sheet. You just upload that, let us know the sizes and quantities for each, and then we'll build it for you, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So with this, once you first open up our gang sheet builder, you'll see either you can start a new one and do what I was doing before, upload them individually, size and position them how you want, or you can click this nifty auto build feature. So here, say I know we need 110 by 10s. This is a little big, and 111 by 2.65. So with this, we're making 100 shirts. We got the front, we got the back, however you want to set it up, and then just hit apply. And then this will build it out for you. So you can see here, so as you can see here, it has rotated everything to fit as efficiently as possible. So then you can take the guesswork out of this completely. And then as you can see here, okay, it's not all gonna fit on one 20-footer. That's why then we'll let you know, hey, you're gonna need an additional 20 feet. And then here you'll need a third 20-footer to fulfill that full order. For these 10 by 10s, if you're doing 100 pieces on the website, you're gonna be paying around a little over $4 per piece. With the 20-foot sheet, down around 2.5 cents per square inch, you're paying about $3.15 per piece. So even though you're not getting our max bulk discount with the transfers by size, you're not ordering 250 or more pieces, you don't need to get access to that bulk pricing with these gang sheets. And as you can see here, that took me all of 2 minutes to do. And I've got high quality artwork ready to print. And then all you have to do is hit save all and add to cart. Go ahead and check out, and it's gonna print exactly how you see right here. Everything's no overlapping images, no low res images, no items overlapping. you're good as gold. And of course, you can do this with as many different designs as you want. If you wanted to do 100 different designs with different colors and different sizes, does not matter. You're just paying for that printable area and you fill it in however you want. So definitely can look a little bit daunting. Of course, when you first open this up, it can look almost like an airplane cockpit with all these different buttons. But really, we've gone and made the gang sheet building process as simple as possible. All you're gonna need is high resolution, print ready artwork. And if you take a few minutes to do that, instead of ordering transfers by size, no matter your quantity, you're gonna be rewarded with better pricing because you took the time out of your day to do that and gave us easy to print artwork, you're good to go. So as you can see with how easy this gang sheet builder is to use, if you have high resolution artwork that's print ready, needs no changes whatsoever, there's literally no reason for you not to use our DTF gang sheet builder. So don't waste any more time. Get your artwork in there, start building your DTF gang sheets today with our online builder, and start saying yes to every single order that comes through the door.